Wow, the excitement's in the air. Big event coming right here to Habitat Restore right here in Manatee County. And it looks like maybe our friends from Marketing on Main may have something to do with this. Let's see where they're at.
Thank you, Tyler. On Wednesday, June 28th, you are going to find small business owners set up so you can shop, socialize, and connect with them, and also win giveaways from 5:30 to 8:30. Not only that, but we'll have food, drinks, live entertainment, and you're going to get to meet the executive team here and the staff that creates this amazing store. Hey, Karen, can you tell us more?
Thanks, Gianna. I'm here at the Habitat Restore preparing for this huge event on June 28th, last Wednesday of the month, 5:30 to 8:30. We are collaborating with Marketing on Main, and we're so excited. We're giving 25% off the entire store. To get a ticket, all you have to do is go to ManateeHabitatRestore.com, click on the events page. All the tickets are donation-based, and 20% of all of that will go to Habitat for Humanity to help us with home building in Manatee County.
That's right. And we'll see you once again when we're out and about Habitat for Humanity Restore.